What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta YouTube channel. I'm Carson. I work on all the cars around here. Today we're working on this sweet 67 Camaro RS. Really cool car. It's already got some modern amenities to it. It's got a nice stereo in it. It's got the RS with the gauge pack. Everything's working good. And here we like to just clean cars up and make sure you're delivered a quality product when you receive it. So I've already gone through this car, checked all the fluids. Everything's good. Got a brand new oil change, brand new Wix oil filter. Nothing but good stuff here. I've already gone through. I can't stand bad wiring personally. I cleaned up a lot of the wiring, loomed it so it looks nice. We've got a nice Optima battery here already. And pretty much the last piece of the pie here is this nasty old quadrajet carburetor on here. If you can see, the thing's been seeping gas, and that's not the type of vehicle we want to deliver here. So in order to rectify that, we've got this brand new Edelbrock 600 CFM 4-barrel carburetor. Carburetors, just like Ford and Chevy, it's an age-long debate whether you like the quadrajet, the Holley, or the Edelbrock. Personally, I'm an Edelbrock guy. There's a lot of advantages to them. They're the easiest to tune of the three, and also they're basically a gasketless design. And so if you look here in the carburetor, there's no gaskets below this top surface here. So your bowls are all totally sealed where there's no chance for fuel to leak out. And so if you contrast that with the quadrajet, you can see what's happened here is we have fuel seeping all around. This thing probably hasn't been rebuilt in at least 20 years. So if you also notice, the electric choke isn't hooked up. I see that all the time in here. So that's gonna really hurt your cold start performance and just your performance in general. So we're gonna get this bad boy installed on here, get the choke wired up, start calibrating it, and make sure she's good to go for you guys. So let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back. It's a new day. Had a little bit of a snag putting this new Edelbrock carb on, got it taken care of. Had to do a little bit of fabrication, but no big deal. We got it mounted on here. Everything's wired. The choke's wired, which it wasn't before, so it'll actually perform properly like it should. We got our transmission kickdown cable set up, our throttle cable set up. Everything's plumbed. I've got the fuel system primed. We're ready for our first start here. Just to show you guys the difference, this crusty old piece of junk going in the trash, brand new carb, be good for another 20 years on here. These Edelbrock carbs are great. They're supposed to be pre-adjusted right out of the box. So we're about to put that to the test here. I haven't turned a single screw, haven't adjusted anything. So I'm gonna hop in the car right now. We'll see how she runs. No pumps of the gas or anything, just turn the key. And as you can see, she's running like a dream. Unfortunately, it's raining today, so I'll have to wait for another day to get a test drive and really see how she runs. Might need a little bit of adjustment on the idle mixture screws or something, but overall right now, it's already running excellent. Our electric choke's already coming off, as you can see. So many people don't bother wiring that in, but to really get a good running car, it's essential. So, like I said, guys, brand new carb. She's ready to hit the road. Drive her home today. CollectibleMotorcarOfAtlanta.com.
All right, guys, we wanted to make this quick video for you and show you that when we get these cars in, that we don't just put them online and sell them out. We make sure that we do proper inspections on them. We have Carson go over the bottom sides of them. He checks out suspension, transmissions, carburetors, anything that could be a potential issue down the road once we sell the car. We want to make sure that when we're getting these products, these cars in, that we're making sure that they are in good operating order before they leave the doors here. Because the last thing we want is this car to get to your house and you have some sort of issue with the car. So we really want to make sure that we're selling a quality product and to make sure that you're happy with it. So we go the extra step by doing things like putting new carburetors on there, recharging the AC systems, finding out why the AC systems are not staying charged. So we try to make sure when you get these cars that they're fully sorted and ready to go and road ready. But with that being said, we just wanted to go ahead and shoot this video so you guys can kind of see what we do on a daily basis here at Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you on the next one.